In this video, I will show you how to make money by chatting with strangers. You will make money doing that. So that's what this video is going to be about. But before you go, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So I will show you some websites where you can chat with strangers and you will make money for that. So you can do this part-time and a few of the websites provide even full-time. So you can choose whatever you want. But I would recommend this job to be more like a side gig where you can earn some extra money. Now let me describe to you how this works. Let me get into the browser and show you in detail. So you can see this little chat icon where you can chat with people here. So if you want to find out about anything, you can enter here. You can ask your questions and you can click on the send. After that, the people at the back end who are working for this company will reply to your comments. So you will talk to strangers and they will answer whatever questions you are asking. You need to know about things that you are working with. Suppose you are working with this particular company. In that case, you need to know about the company, like how it works, what's the payment gateway and what kind of jobs they offers, the countries that are available and all those little information. So if you read through about that, they will help you out in certain things and all these people at the back end will get paid for chatting with us. They will wait for people's questions and then reply and they will get paid for that. There are numerous websites where you can apply for this kinds of job. It's called Online Chat Agent. If you want to know more about it, type in Online Chat Agent. I will keep this tab open. Now let me show you all the websites to apply to this job and work and make money. So this is much more like a side gig to earn some extra money, as I said. So I don't recommend you to do this full time. Now let me open up another tab and show you the first website. It's called Indeed. You may have heard of this. You can open up this and enter Online Chat Agent. As you can see, all these jobs come up. You need to apply to many more jobs and some of the jobs are not like where you can't do it from your house and most of the jobs are like you can work from your home because this all will be online. So go through this and see which was suitable for you and you can do that. Some of the jobs ask for experience and some of them won't. Depending upon whatever company you are with, they will want you to have that kind of experience. Perhaps on finance, they would like you to have a certain amount of knowledge about that particular field because you need to answer to clients, people and customers. So you need to have a certain amount of knowledge in that field. Some of it don't also ask you to understand the particular field that you apply to. So the first website is indeed.co.in as it's in India. Now the second website is upwork.com. You might have heard of this one, the popular freelancing platform where you can set your very own pricing, bid on jobs, create your account and any of the niche available. As you can see, web development, mobile development, design, writing. So if you are a writer, it's an excellent place that you can apply to. You can work with a book by doing some writing work. So it's just not with online chat agents that you got lots of jobs to do whatever you want here. So select jobs and type in Online Chat Agent. As you can see, all these guys posted like 3 days earlier and all that. So you can filter the job that you want. If you want to get paid early and perhaps a fixed price or maybe whatever the length of the job will be for 1 month or 1 to 3 months or 3 to 6 months and more than 6 months. If I work for 6 months, I will get paid a lot or possibly I want a monthly salary or something. So you can select that as well, that you can choose something like that and apply to whatever job you want. As you can see, you can go through all this and see which one is appropriated for you and apply to this job. It's the second platform is called Upwork.com, which is wonderful and legit platform out there. Upwork and Fiverr are among the popular ones out there. You can search in Fiverr and that's the third website that I will show you. It's called Fiverr.com. Here you have to be selling your service. You have to be putting up a gig there and you need to let people know that you exist online chat agents. Numerous people are doing this and charging a lot of money for that. When you are starting, you want to offer even more value to Upwork because you need to have a great ratings and excellent reviews. That's why lots of people will go with you. So you want to have concentrated on those. When you are starting for even more value as much as possible so that people will certainly go with you. When you are putting up all these banners for your gig, make sure that it looks excellent, attractive, because when people are scrolling down, your gig must grab the attention. Also, offer a very low price when you are starting. After you grow on Fiverr, you can charge whatever you want. After getting a good number of ratings and reviews, you can increase your price anytime you want. However, the minimum is like $5. So you can't go below $5. After that, maybe you can raise it. So that's the third platform. The fourth one is with Apple. You know about Apple and they require lots of people to do their customer service. So let me type in Apple at Home Advisor India. So this is what I'm talking about, but they are currently offering only in the US because they want people to come to the office sometime. So they want to hire people just from the US for now. If you are from the US, you can apply to this and Apple pays a fantastic amount of money. So to work here, you need to have some experience with Apple products like iPods, iPhone or laptop. When people ask for doubts about the products, you need to know about all those things. So type in on Google Apple at Home Advisor and this page will come up and you can read through all the details about all these online jobs. So they will pay anywhere from $8 to $15 per hour, but the average will be $10 per hour. So that's how they usually pay with each of these platforms. There are many other freelancing platforms like Freelancer, People Per Hour, etc. You can search their online chat agent and you will find lots of jobs that will certainly be coming up and you can search in all of those platforms. The last platform is simplyhire.co.in. As you can see, there are lots of jobs right here. So you can apply to all this and make money. Click on apply now. This is another platform to which you can apply to and this is an excellent platform as well. So I would always recommend Upwork and Fiverr and also Apple. But again, this is a legit platform with which you can work. So that's how you will do it to make money by chatting with strangers. So go there, stay online and you will reply to people's messages when they send you a message or ask a question. So you can work from home. All you need is a good laptop and a good internet connection. So that's it for today's video. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, press the like button and share it with others. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.